In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom by dragging a box in Lightroom Desktop, or at least the closest supported method available. If you've been looking for a Photoshop-style marquee zoom, Lightroom Desktop works a little differently, but you can still get into a specific area quickly and efficiently. This is a simple trick that can save you time when you're editing photos and want to focus on fine details. If this helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Lightroom tutorials. Now, let's jump in. First, open Lightroom Desktop and load the photo you want to work on. Make sure you're in the editing workspace so you can see the image clearly. Since Lightroom does not have a true drag-a-box marquee zoom like Photoshop, the method here is based on click-drag zoom behavior. It's still very useful once you get used to it. To begin, press and hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, use the Command key instead. With that key held down, move your cursor over the area of the image that you want to zoom into. You do not need to open any special menu. Just position the pointer over the part of the photo you want to inspect more closely. Now, click on the image, or click and drag slightly. As you do this, Lightroom will zoom into that location. The zoom will center around the point you selected, which makes it easy to jump right into details like eyes, hair, skin texture, product edges, or small background elements. It's not a true box selection, but it gives you a fast and practical way to zoom where you need it. If you want to zoom further, repeat the same action again while holding Ctrl or Command and clicking another area. This lets you keep moving deeper into the image without constantly using sliders or keyboard shortcuts. It's especially helpful when you're checking sharpness, removing distractions, or making precise edits. If you ever zoom in too far, you can use the usual Lightroom controls to zoom back out, such as the zoom slider, the shortcut to fit the image to screen, or simply selecting a wider view. The key thing to remember is that Lightroom Desktop supports point-based zooming, not a full Photoshop-style drag box zoom. So the easiest way to think about it is this. Hold Ctrl, move over the image, and click or click-drag slightly to zoom into that spot. Once you practice it a few times, it becomes quick and natural. If you found this useful, please like the video and subscribe for more Lightroom tips, editing shortcuts, and workflow tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.